Here's how you dry trees off, cherry trees. Right after it's rained, you need to get the water off of the tops of the cherries. The sun will heat it up and split them. So, you use the service of a helicopter. Been told it's pretty spendy. It's either that or split your crop, so you pay the money to have it blown off. He's gonna go back and forth. I don't know, covering 2 rows, 3 rows. I'm not really sure how many rows at a time. Quite the colorful helicopter. That, people, is how you dry the cherry crop. These are actually in rows, so the trees are all in rows, so he's going up row by row, or he's probably grabbing a couple rows at a time or so. This time of the year, cherry crop is in full swing. We're about 2 weeks away from picking, 2 to 3 weeks away from picking. And when they start picking, it's very fast and furious. You pick them, they're packed about same day, next day. In most cases the next day. It lasts about 6 weeks, 5 to 6 weeks of picking and packing the fruit. It's a very, very fast process. Cherries, being a soft fruit, have a tendency to go bad quickly if you don't get them out. Get them in, get them out, get them to the market. This is the end part of June, or May, first part of June. June 1st, I believe. Present day. You pick on about the 12th, give or take. Different areas, different regions, or sooner and later. Just depends on where you're at. If you're lower elevation, you pick sooner. If you're higher elevation, you pick later. Well, that concludes it.